Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a magic knot. Some materials I'll be using for this tutorial are 2 balls of yarn, this golden yellow one, and this ash one. You can use any color of yarn that you want. You just need this magic knot to join 2 ends of yarn balls together. So you'll also be needing a pair of scissors to cut off loose ends. So you just take a strand from the yarn and you line it up with the other yarn you're trying to join to it. Just line it up like this. Then you take one of these strands and you wrap it around the other strand of the other ball of yarn. Just wrap it around and make a simple knot or a simple tie. Just like this. And pull it really tight. Then you take the other strand from the other ball of yarn and you wrap it around this yellow ball of yarn. And you just make a simple knot just like you did before and pull it really tight. Then you take the ends of the yarn still attached to the balls of yarn and you pull them together. And you find out that as you pull and tug on it, it doesn't get loosened. Then you take your pair of scissors and you just cut off this extra yarn here. So here I'm getting my pair of scissors and I'm just going to cut really close, like really close to where the knot is. I'm just going to cut off the excess yarn there. And there you have your magic knot. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment.